Before we get started, I wanted to quickly go over the materials you will need to make your jewelry pouch. You will need a 3 by 8 inch piece of stiff felt, or if you prefer, you could also use suede. This is another variation I did by taking a 1/2 inch piece of material and I sewed it across. Some earring display cards. Now if you need help making these, I'll link my video down below. You will also need some matching thread and some twine or embroidery thread. I'm going to take my piece of felt, I'm going to fold it right at the 5.5 inch line. Then I'm going to clip it in place. Okay, now I'm ready to go over to the sewing machine. I have my sewing machine set to a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to place my first stitch right above the fold line here. And then I'm going to back stitch. Go ahead and move my clip. Pivot. Make sure it's lined up nice and straight. Going nice and slow because I want to make sure I get a straight line. Remove my clip. Just going to go over it one stitch and then back stitch. Now that I finished sewing my jewelry pouch, I'm ready to insert my earrings. Then I'll take my embroidery thread and tie it. Then I could trim off the excess.